Hi, I'm Anton. Today is day 12 of the daily crypto installment program. As usual, I'm paying crypto installments. Bitcoin 20,000, Ethereum 20,000, XRP 10,000. Those who want to watch my daily transaction recordings are welcome, and those who want to focus on listening to the XRP discussion are also welcome. It's impossible to do both, so if you want both, the video will be repeated twice. Today we're discussing XRP again, but now I want to explain. What is XRP actually used for? XRP is a digital token used in a network called RippleNet. RippleNet is not an app for buying and selling coins, but a global financial system that facilitates money transfers between countries with super low costs and super fast times. For example, you work abroad and want to send money to your parents back home. If you go through a bank, it can take 2 to 3 days and incur large deductions. If you go through RippleNet using XRP, it can take just a few seconds. It's fast, cheap, and secure. Many large financial institutions around the world have begun testing or even using Ripple technology. They aren't focused on the price of XRP, but on the technology behind it. XRP itself has cool features. Transactions can be completed in just 3 to 5 seconds. Transaction fees are only a fraction of a cent. Doesn't require as much energy as Bitcoin. So, this is why I set aside 10,000 Indonesian rupiah every day to buy XRP. Not for trading, but to learn and understand the technology behind it. I believe that in the future, this technology will be used more widely. And I don't want to just be a spectator. I want to understand and have a small part in it. Do you share my belief? If so, please like this video. If you're not convinced, leave a comment explaining why. See you on day 13. Tomorrow we'll return to Bitcoin.